Well, hello and welcome to a nighttime vandal vlog video. It's been a minute since we went out at night and I've missed it, so I thought I'd get out tonight, just go for a little cruise and see what I can find. Sure saw some stuff here earlier. I did. Thought I did. What the hell that was? Ah, some humans there. I'll wait, I'll come back to that. Anyway, I'm just going to have a little look around and see what we can find. In the trash. Well, first stop I'm going to make, pop in here and see if the fly tippers have been active. I mean, they have left a few scrappy bits behind recently, which was nice of them. What we got here? We've got nothing. Today I have done absolutely nothing but try and sort my computer out. I've been trying to make a video, and for whatever reason the last week or so, it's either the computer or something wrong with the footage on the GoPro or something's just, it's just all going wrong. It keeps getting corrupted, or the files aren't doing what they're supposed to. I don't know what's going on, but it's been an absolute nightmare. So I had a really stressful day. I'm absolutely knackered, but I just want to get out and just get some air. Just see, just have a look. Go and visit a few areas. Oh, what's that? Is that metal? Skip there and all. Let's have a look. Oh, that's there and all. Already got an orange harder. Take the bag. Got in here. Any goodies? Oh. Pipe. A little bit there. Scrappy bits. What's it got? Huh. More. Good times. Good times. Oh, that's worth it just for that. Look at that, cool. Take some copper. Sure, I saw a few bits here earlier. There were some humans. Oh yeah. Every little helps and all that. pots and stuff. Sure will. It has been a minute since we've been round here. A long minute. So look over here quick. A brazier. Ooh. Stairgate. So. That's a vandal vlog about a stairgate, right? Why are you putting wood in here? Bloody charity shops. So wasteful. I'm good, thanks. Nice to get out, it's a bit chilly. That fridge has been here for donkeys. Oh look. Clothesline. That fridge has been there for so long. It's a vandal vlog without a bloody clothesline. No money in cans. Off. Oh, we got a squatter. So a few scrappy bits. Take them. They're just full of cardboard normally. So I'm going to take a few scrappy bits. See that bin over there's been opened. I'm just not going to fill the van anytime soon, but you know. A few scrappy bits nonetheless. That's nice and tidy. Smells like perfume, that one. Got some copper out of here before. Not tonight. This one. This is usually the good one. Oh. Someone's been scrapping the TV. Or was this just exactly the same since I was here last time? I don't know. It's not even metal. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. La, 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 la. It's nearly March. It's just the same since I was there last time. That fridge is still there. Locked. Oh, not locked. Yeah, what else you got? Whoa. Any more cable? Some nice boxes though. Oh, that one's locked. Take that though. For shizzle. Locked. Oh, not locked. No money in cans. Oh well, that'll do. I'm happy with that. I see a few trinkets down there. Might be worth further investigation. Shut up, man. Down here. Oh, creepy. I'll clean these streets up, one street at a time. Well, I'll take the metal bits anyway. Some metal and a bit of cord. Love scavenging at night. It's the best time. That's just the crap stuff, isn't it? Open it. Motor in there. Once I'm about to forget about those leads. That's it for here. Oh well, help tidy it up a little bit. Hello. Tidy up a little bit more. That's it for that. Someone there. Bloody stuff. Oh. Is that Hoover? Hoover there. That was awkward. Thought I had someone coming out the door. These now. Before I forget. Familiar with the channel, you know I frequent this area quite a bit. Huh. There's a bit there, take that. Take another jack. If anyone says that's worth money, I'm going to do something I'll regret. Oh yeah, we've got in here then. A whole lot of nothing. Absolute whole lot of nothing. This used to be good around here, now it's just crap. There's some goodies in there, aren't there? Quite a solid bit of furniture, that. Got any? Nothing. It's a bit lame. You lot should remember this place well. Skip's still here. But is there anything good inside? That's the question. Oh my days. copper cable, alright? Dang. Take that. I'll take a bit of that. Security guard over there, should be right. You want to start something, bro? Let's take it all, sort it out later. Good times. Taking a no fox given approach tonight. I do. Quarters a score. No coppery bits or brassy bits. Some brassy bits there. I got bloody flathead though, have I? Have to do it first. Nice bits of wood in there. Hey, that was alright. It was worth stopping anyway. Right, on to the next one. Gotta say, it's pretty quiet out here. Haven't seen any big appliances or nothing. It's just taxi drivers and stoners. Good times. Do I say good times too many times? Trolley. And a motorcycle. Not fair game. Man, it's quiet. Maybe a sacrifice of chicken to the scrap gods might help the situation. Well, things have got really bad. There's no scrap around, so there's only one thing left to do. We need to make a sacrifice of chicken to the scrap gods. It must be done. It's time for a sacrifice.
Hello, now.
Hiya, can I have a boneless bouquet meal?
That's fine for you. What side would you?
Can I get a side of beans with a Pepsi, please?
Pepsi, yeah, anything else?
No, that's it.
Let's make way to the last one on business.
Thank you. Right, the sacrifice is over. May it bring good fortune upon me. Ow. Let's just have a little recap of what we got here then. What have we got? We got some 2.5 here, good stuff. Oh, that is blinking data cable on it. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that stuff. And we don't want that. Damn it. We don't want that. Let's get this crap out. We only want the good stuff. Just made one hell of a mess, didn't it? That's what we want. I think there's a small amount of value. Branch. Dee-dee. Rubbish. Boom. Nice. Oh. Put them bits of copper that we got. Sort the cables out quickly and sort them to scrap. As you can see, we've got loads of room for stuff, so let's hope we can find some more. You know you look behind. Shut down. Scrap this TV out quick. See if we can lose it somewhere. Nice big yoke in here. They always do that, they always come off in my face. Let's take that and the decors in. That's all I'll take. Hopefully I can lose that somewhere. Boom. The horse in. That for, look at that for a copper yoke. It's not too bad. Alright. You have been vandalised. See the fox? You know, it's got a limp. It's got a bad leg. You alright, bro? bad leg. Poor little thing. Hello. Sorry buddy, I'll leave you alone. Hello mate. That was cool, seen a fox. Oh, and a limp, bless him. I should have saved him some chicken. Damn it. Trolley, surprise, surprise. Wow, nothing. There's no smell around here though. A nice smell of the ganj. Something. Some books in it. Found a hoverboard in these ones. Oh, how come these have been emptied then? Still the same. I think I should smash the motor out of that. Probably should, shouldn't I? Haven't done these in a while. Some little dog. It's not like it's midnight. Suitcase. The noisy fox is here. It's not like it's midnight. Cheers. Let's see what's in that suitcase. Noisy enough. How's it locked? Open up then. What's it say? Why won't it open? That's worth it, isn't it? really worth it. Solid. I'll sort you out in the morning. Let's pick that up now. Ooh. Okay. Good times. My biggest fan. Take anything at the moment, just because there ain't much around. Do smell. A little bit in there. I ain't gonna complain about that. Sort it all out tomorrow. metal. Ugh. Yuck. Oh yeah. Leave nothing. What's we got? Just furniture, is it? Just furniture. Oh well, that's it. I'm done for the night. Ugh. That's it. I'll park up down the road, do a quick recap. We're done. Right, boys and girls, foxes and vixens, just a quick recap. So there's the yoke we got, and the gaussing, bits of copper. Some of that cord we got, the 20.5 that's called. I've got a brush. In the back, got an assortment of light iron. There's a bits of metal we just picked up. There's a few bits and pieces there. We got a bunch of electronics. What do I do with them other ones I had earlier? Must be up there somewhere. Oh, they're here. Bunch of electronics, some more of that stuff. That's low grade. That end with a Hoover. We've got a fan. We've got a bin. A couple of stair gates, washing lines. Hoovers, bits of copper, more cords, a bunch of stuff to go through. I mean, it wasn't a lot. There's not a lot out there, but you would have found none of this just driving around in a truck. The only way you would have found it was get out and have a look in the bins. And the only way I found them bins was on the bicycle. So it was good. It's good. I'll tidy this all up in the morning. But for now, I need to get home. I've got to be up at 5:30, and it's now 10 past midnight. So I need to get a move on. So until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. And I'll see you all next time. Best of luck to yous. Get out there and have some fun. Take care. I'll see you all later. I'm going home for a quick cup of tea, wash my hands, and go to bed. And I'm going to dream of tomorrow and put my headlights on. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this one. I did, I had fun. I'll see you next time. It's good night from me, and it's good night from Piggy. Woo!